And be crew, so we're gonna jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from UNice. So this is their ginger orange body wave human hair wig. It is a lace part. It is a 13 by 4. I got mine at 24 inches and it is 150 density. So I'm just applying my wig cap. I'm gonna take some lace tinting spray and I'm gonna spray it on the lace of the wig. You won't really even notice it much because this unit is orange, but I'm still gonna go ahead and do it. And I'm going to do the same thing with the wig cap, even though it's really not going to make much of a difference. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull the wig cap back a little bit so it's not noticeable and you don't see it much through the wig. I really forgot to lay down my edges, so I'm doing that now with some Eco Styler gel. Y'all know I have a low hairline, so I'm going to have to push my hairline completely back because this is a colored unit. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera. But I should have kept the lace on for this look, but I don't like using a razor close to my skin like that, but it's okay. I still was able to lay it down. So I'm going to take the Got To Be Glue Free spray. I'm going to put that all over the hairline of the unit, and then I'm going to comb it back so that none of the straight hair are in my way so I can actually see the hairline. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie it down to melt it down. You can use glue, but I just prefer to use the spray because I don't really want to have to use glue. But anywho's, so once I take my little edgy wrap off, I'm going to go ahead and comb the hairline back, you know, get it all situated. And I decided to go ahead and do sideburns, leave the sideburns out and I push them back. I'm going for a side part, so that's what I'm doing now. Then next, I'm going to go ahead and pull out some hair right where my edges is still hanging out at, like my hairline. Y'all know I have a low hairline and I don't like to pull my wig all down on my forehead like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and create some baby hairs to cover it up. Basically what I'm going to do is just cover up my hairline that is like hanging out. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it and then I'm going to curl it. And this is going to help with the direction of the baby hair with me laying it down. And I'm just going to lay it down with some Mousse and Eco Styler gel. Literally just going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm only doing 2 baby hairs. So basically I'm just going to go back in and touch up my part because it didn't got messed up. So that's just what I'm doing here. So I just put my edgy band on and now I'm just going to go ahead and brush through the hair. Take this Luster Slick Stick and I'm going to rub some on my hands and then run it through the hair. This is going to help with like the flyaways, and y'all, it worked so good. And then I'm going to take my Conair wand curl and I'm going to go ahead and put some curls into the unit. Y'all know this is body wave hair, so these curls are going to be really pretty when they fall. They're going to look like beach waves, and that's the look that I'm going for. Y'all was watching I Am Zoe while I was doing my hair, y'all. He had me cracking up. Y'all know he is hilarious. But anyway, so I'm just literally doing the same thing on the other side. And I also did curl my little sideburns that I left out because I did not cut those. And I forgot to show y'all, I did spray these curls with freeze spray. So I'm just going to go through and comb them out with my wide tooth comb. And I'm going to use my hands as well. As you guys can see, I did ginger brows to match the hair, and it is giving. I am loving this look so much. It is so pretty. Look how full the hair is. It's not too full, it's not too thin, it's the perfect density. This is just what the curls look like from the back. It has so much body, so pretty. Y'all already know I had to show it with one side to the back, and it looks super cute. I'm loving the vibe, so pretty. Hey, I'm B Crew. I'm Mona B here. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications and follow me on Instagram at Mona X Bank. So let's get into the look. It's a new year. We're trying new things. You know, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm really having fun. So that's what I have to say about this hair to start off. This hair is so fun. I'm loving the vibe. So this is the UNice Ginger Orange Body Wave Lace Front Wig. Mine is a 13 by 4, so it's not a 13 by 6, so it doesn't part back really far back, but that's cool with me. It is 150 density, and I got mine 24 inches, so I am giving some inches. I'm giving some inches, okay? Y'all know normally I'm a short hair girl. I don't really give the inches, you know, like that, but I've been stepping in my game, starting to give a little inches, trying, you know, new things, stepping out of my comfort zone, and I am loving this color up against my melanin. You can't tell me nothing. Like, this color looks bomb on me. Like, is this my color? Like, if I do wear colored hair, is this the color that I need to get? Like, it looks so yummy. It looks so cute. I just love it. Like, this is just so beautiful. I feel like it looks so beautiful on my skin tone. I really love it. This is body wave hair. I did go ahead and put some wand curls in it. Y'all know body wave hair holds like some of the best wand curls, and it gives you these like beautiful waves. That's what I love about it, because the hair naturally has the waves in it. I don't know the size of this wand, y'all, but I got it from Walmart, I believe. But yes, that's what I used, and it worked really beautifully on this hair. The luster on this hair is gorgeous. The coloring on this hair is a bomb, y'all. I was a little skeptical, but I went ahead and I did a side part, because y'all know I'm a side part shawty. That's what works the best for me. Middle parts are cool too, but I just feel like I look better with a side part. And then I left some behind my ears, and then I left these like little sideburns out on the side and cut them short. I left them long, and I just curled them. Y'all, this unit is really easy to install. I was a little skeptical because I thought it was going to be like hard to install because it is color. I believe this unit only comes in a standard size, like an average size unit. So it is a little bit too big for my head, but it wasn't really that big, if that makes sense. Like, I could still fit it on my small head. So if you have a small head, you definitely can still rock this unit. Like me, it's an average cap size, and it is bomb. Like, the hair quality, the hair is so soft. It did give me a little bit of shedding, but not too much. But the hair quality is so soft, you guys. It's not fried at all. Like, this hair, y'all see this luster on this hair? This hair is not fried. That's another thing I was a little skeptical on. So I'm like, a ginger unit, you know, y'all be a little skeptical with color, but they did their thing. UNice, y'all did y'all thing. Y'all did y'all thing on this unit, and it looks so good. And I'm feeling myself, and you can't tell me nothing. I'm trying new things for the new year. Okay, she's giving a new girl. She's giving a new girl. I would love this in a shorter limb too, but I'm really actually feeling this 24 inch, like, and I'm sure it comes down to my stomach. They probably come down longer if I straighten it. This unit will look bomb straightened too, but I wanted to just wear it with the texture in it. I just love how it looks. Like, this is bomb, y'all. Like, this is my first time trying like a real deal ginger wig, because a lot of the units that I've been trying are like honey blonde. But this is like really different for me, and it is beautiful. Like, UNice, everything about this unit I love. I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all A+++++. Y'all did y'all thing on this unit, no doubt about it. Like, y'all see the quality. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, 2022, you can't tell me nothing in 2022. Your girl is trying new things. No, but for you, really can't tell me nothing, because I'm trying new things. I'm switching it up. You know, y'all know I love my dark hair, but I'm like, let me add a little color to my life. Let me add a little color. Everything about UNice will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check there. The hair that I'm rocking today will also be in the description box below. Check it out. Get you one, because y'all going to be seeing me styling and profiling on my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. I'm definitely going to have to put me an outfit together, honey, with this hair. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.